Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from Power button. So first of all, just go here to the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Now just go here to the gesture shortcuts, and here you'll see the Launch Google Assistant section. Tap here, and right now you will see the switcher. Just to turn on this function, tap on the switcher, and now we will check. Yes, as can you see, the Google Assistant is activated now. So if you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher again. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.